The Eastern Wheatbelt includes 8 WA Country Health Service hospitals, as well as a number of smaller hospitals and health centres, with Merredin serving as the hub. Let's hear from our staff who work and live in some of these Eastern Wheatbelt communities.
Coming here was a big challenge, but if you take it, it will be really amazing experience.
Our hands-on clinical skills are amazing. We do everything here. I was cannulating 3 months out of uni.
Emergency telehealth service, the locals call it the TV doctor. We can get a very highly specialist doctor on the screen. Having them gives you the security that there's always somewhere there 24/7 if you're in trouble. We have a GP, he works Monday to Friday. I think over the years I've learned that really you just have to have a good basis, because we can teach you everything. There's so much support.
As a 1.2, I got my ALS Advanced Life Support Competency, which is amazing, I think, for my level, being a junior RN, being able to see resuscitations and being able to take part in resuscitations. After studying ALS, I just spoke to my manager and she said, I think you're ready for triage. I came here for graduate program for registered nurses, and when I worked in ED, I realized, this is my area. I'm really interested in care. So I'm currently doing my transition to specialty in emergency. As part of the program, they sent me to Northern Regional Hospital to do placements, and they are amazing people. The resources and everything that you get for you to transition from ward nursing to ED, it's amazing. Kellerberrin is a small farming community, very, very welcoming. When I'm not at work, we have got a fitness group where we go to do gym or go for a swim.
There's a massive horse community here in Kellerberrin. There's pony club, adult riding club. So we actually have horse racing here, throughout a season of the year, which is pretty exciting. So you can go put your fascinator on, head up to the club. Plenty of different clubs and stuff to join, garden clubs, cooking clubs, book clubs, everything. Yeah. I love it here. I'm a little bit biased, but I do love it here at Keller.
I've done it and I'm eternally grateful for that. So just do it, yeah.
Our ED is very busy, so we look to about 70 to 80 presentations a week, which is a lot for a small hospital. We've got 12 acute beds, 10 high care aged care beds and 10 low care aged care beds. We do offer respite for aged care in the community as well. We also offer domestic assistance within the home. We have a doctor here most days. We also do run theatre, elective day procedures twice a month. 1 minute you could be attending to aged care and the next minute you could be attending to a resus or a trauma or a critically ill patient. We use the emergency telehealth service when we have traumas or very unwell critical patients. So we've always got access to a doctor 24 hours a day.
There are days where we only get a couple of people through the door, and then there are days where you've called the coordinator or management down to help you because everyone from around has decided to come in and see us. It's actually been really good for my career. I did come out pretty fresh still, and then I was able to get enough experience to apply for the clinical nurse job, but I've also been able to help manage aged care as well as get ED experience, triage experience in day procedure.
Initially I practiced more in aged care and in the acute ward. Then I started to work in ED after a year. I'm also doing a couple of coordinator shifts in a week as well. So I'm everywhere.
If you want to learn more, we're more than able to support you with that journey. We train them up through ED and get their triage. We support all our staff through whatever ward they're on. So Merredin is a great town. It's great for families. It's safe, which was one of the reasons why we chose to come back here with our children. They could walk to and from school, lots of sports, so they were in the swimming club, in basketball, football, cricket. There's a cinema, so they can go to the movies. There's sort of been an influx and a bit of rejuvenation in the town. There's a fantastic bakery, great supermarket. There's 3 little cafes. They've just rejuvenated the old pub down the street. That's the epicentre of socialisation for the young ones. Cummins Theatre, so they've got great programs that come through, as well as a local repertory, which is really good fun, and they put on plays twice a year. So it's really great. It's a good little active community.
You can walk, everything is, we can walk within the walking distance. You can grab a shopping bag and get all your stuff from, all things you need here.
Everything is so much laid back and people are more relaxed. And it's a lovely environment to bring up young kids. Just take the challenge. Come and spend some time with us and see what you think. I think you'd enjoy yourself.